Shruti. Now Gayatri and Dhruva will present a dialogue.
Hello friend. Hello friend. Good morning. My name is Gayatri. Standard 9 Division A.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dhruva, Standard 9 Division A.
Today we are representing conversation. I am patient.
I am doctor. Let's start. Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning doctor. My name is Gayatri.
What's wrong, Gayatri?
I have fever and cold since yesterday.
Do you have also headache and body pain?
Yes, I have little headache.
Don't worry, Gayatri. It is a viral infection. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you doctor.
Take rest, eat food light and drink warm water.
Okay, I will. Thank you doctor once again.